Okay, so in this video we will do something special for this channel. I will do an unboxing and try this EDC carrying bag, everyday carry bag from Gaston Luga. It's called DÄSH BOX BAG. And this is from Gaston Luga. Once again, you can check links down below in the description text where to find these different bags they have and where to buy them. So I will do an unboxing of this and also try to see if my everyday carry stuff works in this bag, and also my ebook readers, if they fit this bag and so on. So hang on to see later on in the video when I try it out with different stuff. But first start with an unboxing. Not much to unbox, just a plastic cover on it, plastic bag, like so. Really nice Swedish flag. I really love that. This is a Swedish design company, Gaston Luga. So this is the back side of the bag with the Swedish flag there. I would have this at the front, actually, would be better for me. And as you see, you can carry the bag up here or like this if you want. I will do it like this, probably. And this is the front of it, quite nice. Gaston Luga from Stockholm, in my country, Sweden. Really nice. We have a bag on the front. And nothing on the back side. That's a bit bad, because I would love to have a secret pocket there for stuff that I don't want to lose when doing pickpocketing of me, for example. Some thief maybe. But let's start by removing this DÄSH BOX BAG sticker. Design in Sweden, as you see there. Gaston Luga. You see the address there, gastonluga.com. So that's nice. Let's remove this. Like so. Now let's open this first to see. Quite nice pocket. Feel nice and protective. And let's open the big storage here. As you see, it goes down there, a bit more there, like so. That's nice. In here we have a mesh pocket, so you can see what you have in here. That's nice. Here we have the axle band, the shoulder band. Nice. And we have the mesh net pocket there. And nothing else, no more pockets. So we only have this pocket, and we have this pocket and this pocket. So 3 pockets, one large in the middle here. We have a Gaston Luga logo there. We have some washing declaration and so on. I don't like that. Maybe I will cut this off later on. But maybe I cut this off already now when I'm sitting here. No, I don't do that at the moment. But let's check this out. This is the shoulder carrying strap. So we will carrying it like this, probably. Like so, and probably up here is my guess. I like EDC carry bags. Sling bags is my thing. So hopefully I can use this as a sling bag. Okay. What's... Okay. This is not the highest quality lock mechanism. But well, hopefully it will last. So, like so. And we can carry it like this if you want to, of course. Well, maybe we should try it with my ebook readers now. At first I want to try it for the Kobo Clara 2E that we have here. We have the mesh here to protect it. It works really great there, as you see. Fits nicely. And we can maybe eventually fit it here too. Yes, we could. So you can fit the Kobo Clara 2E in the front pocket too. That's really nice. And we have also this Onyx Boox Palma ebook reader in a smartphone form factor. So we can have that, for example, here if we want. That's nice. So if we remove the Clara 2E again, and now we check out my TomToc Slingbag I have now for my everyday carry. It's quite full with stuff, but let's see if I can fit something of that into this, maybe everything. So we have my reading glasses, we have this carbon hook to... You can't do that on this. You can on the TomToc bag. I can set this here and carry other bags, for example, but you can't do that on this. So we don't need that for this because you can't fit it anywhere. And we have some everyday carry things like this spoon, fork stuff, and we have this poly grip. We have a Swiss Army knife. We have some pencils, and we have a sewing kit, and we have a multi-tool. We have my wallet, Apple Wallet, that supports MagSafe. We have my library card to borrow ebooks, and we have a USB drive. That's what's in the middle pocket. We have here my work stuff. We have a strap here to have my home keys. That is also something I will miss with this bag. And that's what's in the bag, I think. So let's try this out for this bag, if I can fit all this. We have the keys in the bottom. We have this multi-tool. We can fit all this stuff in the bottom in a big pocket. We have the Swiss Army knife in the pocket in the bottom of this. We have this mesh strap. Maybe I should have something in that. I don't know yet. I think we will need to use that for the ebook reader maybe, and have important stuff here, or the other way around, I don't know. Maybe I should have that in here. So I will just have the USB drive in the bottom. We can have all this important stuff in the mesh net. Maybe we can have the keys in the front pocket, for example. No, we can't, because then we can't have this. We will have this in the front pocket, I think, and also the keys in the front pocket, for example. And we will have the sewing kit in the bottom, like so. And one of these, I can't have both, so I will have this in this mesh net pocket. We can have it in that way, like so, to protect it more, like so. I think that is everything in this nice little bag. Really, really nice. So we can fit everything in that bag quite nicely. Really cool. So go check out the links at the bottom of this video in the description text, and also check out my blog post with links to where you can buy this on my network website, swartling.net. I think that's it for this video. Maybe we can do some more with this bag later on, but that's it. Okay, bye.